Hey everyone, I already discussed generating function in previous lecture. In today's lecture, I'll discuss some important formulas of generating function. First, 1 plus x power n equals to summation of k equals to 0 to n c n k x power n. C n k is combination of n k. Here, what is a k? A k is c nk. This is our extended binomial theorem. I already discussed that in previous lecture. Just go through that. So after expand, it will be 1 plus cn1 x plus cn2 x square plus continue till x power n. Next, 1 plus ax power n equals to summation of k equals to 0 to n c n k a power k x power k. Here ak equals to cnk a power k. After expand, we'll get 1 plus cn1 ax plus cn2 a square x square till a power n x power n. Here cnk is combination of nk. Next, 1 plus x power r whole power n equals to summation of k equals to 0 to n cnk x power r k. If you know 1, you can extend all these three, right? So 1 plus x power r whole power n equals to summation of k equals to 0 to n cnk x power r k. After expand, we'll get 1 plus cn1 x power r plus cn2 x power 2r till x power r n. Here ak equals to cn k divide r. 1 plus x square till x power n, that is equals to 1 minus x power n plus 1 divide 1 minus x. Just find the sum of that geometric progression and it is 1 minus x power n plus 1 divide 1 minus x. And here ak equals to 1 if k less than equals to n, 0 otherwise. Next, for infinite sequence, summation of k equals to 0 to infinite x power k, that equals to 1 plus x square till infinite, that equals to 1 divide 1 minus x. Here what is ak? Ak equals to 1. This is simply summation of this geometric progression. Okay. Next, when ak equals to a power k, summation of k equals to 0 to infinite a power k x power k equals to 1 plus ax plus a square x square plus aq x cube till infinite, that equals to 1 divide 1 minus x. So here these two are similar. If you know 1, you can easily find the other. 1 plus x power r plus x power 2r till infinite, that equals to 1 divide 1 minus x power r. Here what is ak? Ak equals to 1 if r divide k, else it is 0. If ak equals to k plus 1, then summation of k equals to 0 to infinite k plus 1 x power k equals to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square till infinite, that value equals to 1 divide 1 minus x whole square. Next, 1 divide 1 minus x power n equals to summation of k equals to 0 to infinite c of n plus k minus 1 k x power k. I already explained this formula, just go through the lecture. That equals to 1 plus cn1 x plus cn plus 1 2 x square. Like this it will continue. Here what is ak? Ak equals to cn plus k minus 1 k, or you can say cn plus k minus 1 n minus 1. This is for 1 divide 1 minus x power n. 1 divide 1 plus x power n, summation of k equals to 0 to infinite c of n plus k minus 1 k minus 1 power k x power k. If you know this formula, in place of x, just substitute minus x, you will get this one. Okay. So that equals to 1 minus cn1 x plus cn plus 1 2x square 1 plus 1 minus. So that's why minus 1 power k. Here what is ak? Ak equals to minus 1 power k cn plus k minus 1 k, or you can say minus 1 power k cn plus k minus 1 n minus 1. Now in place of this x, if we'll write ax, we'll find this one. So 1 divide 1 minus ax power n equals to summation of k equals to 0 to infinite c n plus k minus 1 k a power k x power k. Here we just added a power k. Rest all are same. Equals to 1 plus c n1 ax plus c n plus 1 2 a square x square till infinite. Here what is ak? Ak equals to c n plus k minus 1 k a power k, or you can say c n plus k minus 1 n minus 1 a power k. Next, e power x equals to summation of k equals to 0 to infinite x power k divide k factorial equals to 1 plus x square divide 2 factorial plus x cube divide 3 factorial. Like this it will continue. So here ak equals to 1 divide k factorial and this value equals to e power x. So 1 plus x square by 2 factorial x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial till infinite. That sequence is equivalent to e power x. Next, ln 1 plus x equals to summation of k equals to 1 to infinite minus 1 power k plus 1 divide k x power k equals to x minus x square divide 2 plus x cube divide 3 plus x power 4 divide 4. Like this it will continue. And here what is ak value? Ak value equals to minus 1 power k plus 1 divide k. In today's lecture I discussed all the important generating function formula that I discussed till now. In next lecture I will discuss some more examples of generating function. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.